Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your POCO M7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust your media and the call volume. So to adjust the call volume, you go over to the phone app. So you're not getting it from the settings, you are changing it right here by tapping the volume up button. This is the call volume. You got a phone, but whenever you go into the settings and then go to sound and vibration, you don't have a phone, you just have the media, ringtone, and alarm. And here we are interested in media. Make sure that it's more than a half. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that in the sound options, do not disturb is turned off. And of course, the silent mode and silence media in silent mode. This is very important. Here, as you guys can see, we want to make sure that it's disabled because it basically mutes our notifications and incoming calls. We don't want it. We want to make sure that we hear everything and that there's no issues. Next, what we want to do is, if we use the speaker, we want to clean it. So this is the grille that we want to clean. It's right at the bottom. And after cleaning it with a soft brush, for an example, nothing metallic, what we can do is we can restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot and let go of your finger once the screen goes black and the icon inside goes green. So I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. So first, what you guys want to do after the restart is, of course, enter the password. So we're gonna enter it. Now if you don't have a password, just swipe. And next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update our software. So this is as a last resort. We're gonna go to settings, and here we're gonna select About Phone, and in the About Phone we're gonna click on the HyperOS right up the top. As you guys can see, it's checking now. We got no updates available, and if you do have an update available, you will see a button on this screen right here, but to make sure, you just click here and then you will see if you got an update available or not. So make sure to update, it's very important. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.